So hi everyone, welcome. This video is going to focus on solving the first order differential equation. To solve it, we have to know what is a differential equation at first. So here is the general form of the first order differential equation. So the first operation here is to multiply both sides of the equation by the function ix. I has its very specific definition that the result of the derivative of ix times y is equal to the left side of the equation and the right side of the equation. Let me write this out. I times dy over dx plus px times y is equal to I times qx. Okay, so we see a problem here. We can actually cancel out one term from the left side of the equation. Let me expand this. It will be I times I dy over dx plus y times di over dx. So here, as you can see, that I times dy over dx appears on both sides of the equation, which means we can cancel out this term, and we can also cancel out the y on both sides of the equation, which leaves us only the di over dx is equal to I times px. This is a really easy separable form of a differential equation that we can just switch between dx and I. Oops. Px times dx. And now we add an integral sign to both sides of the equation. And as you can see, ln I is equal to the integral form of px times dx. However, we add the little e here to cancel out ln, so now we can write out the function I specifically is equal to e to the power of the integral form of px times dx. So now we get a result from the second separable form of differential equation here. And then now we can work on the first one. Oh yeah, this is the amazing part. So d over dx of I times y is equal to I times the qx. So to eliminate the derivative sign here, we can add an integral sign here on both sides of the equation, so that I times y is equal to the integral form of I times qx. We divide both sides of the equation by I, so we can get a result of y, which means y is equal to I to the power of -1 times an integral form of I times qx. Okay, don't forget the dx here. And then we can just plug in the ix from here, which means y is equal to e to the negative power of e x times dx times the integral form of e to the power of dx times dx times qx. Surprise. So here is the whole derivation. I know my handwriting is ugly, but I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something, and hope that solves some questions for you. And thanks for watching. And this is my first video. Please leave a like if you think it's useful, and leave some constructive suggestions down below. I would really appreciate it. Thank you for the support.